now if you have these 3 pieces, then we are all ready to get started. You are going to want to make more because this only takes 10 minutes. Hi guys, and welcome back to another video. Today we're making these beautiful tea coasters with a lemon design. So here's what you're going to need: some fabric, a marker, some paper, and scissors, as well as some pins. And then of course I like to use a lemon for reference, but it's optional. Some tags if you guys are up for it. What I'm doing here is drawing circles around my cup because that's going to be the size guide. Some people have bigger cups and some people have smaller cups, but as you can see, I'm going to draw the shape outside of those little circles that I drew, again, so that the coaster is not smaller than the cup. So I don't know if you guys noticed, but there's a lot of space between the circles and the shape, and that's actually I'm going to correct that when I do seam allowance, so keep a lookout for that. I folded this in half because I really wanted it to be symmetrical, so I'm only going to, you guys know, you guys might have done this like back in school and you cut it out in half. So as you guys saw, I added seam allowance, but I actually did half on top and then half under the line because remember I had made the allowance a little bit too big. And now I'm just cutting out the fabric and the shape. It's actually looking so good, you guys. At this point, I'm super excited. This is probably like 5 to 10 minutes into the project, so you guys can see how quick this project is. So what I have here is the batting. This is a medium weight batting, as I showed you guys a bit earlier on. And then I also have the 2 pieces. So now if you have these 3 pieces, then we are all ready to get started. Let's go. All right, guys. So you're going to take this piece and then you're going to grab this piece and you're going to match like this. Then I'm just gonna show you guys in case you wanted to use like a ribbon. I'm not gonna use it today, but let me show you what you would do. So basically you would snip how much you want, and then fold it, and maybe you want to put it like here. So as you can see, you put it like this. Okay, but I won't be using that today. And then you take this, put it on top. So as you can see, all right. What I'm gonna do is to just get a pin and pin that. Pin that as well, just like this. And then I'm going to start sewing from here all the way around, so you're going to leave a gap over here. Let's go. this is where we are so far. Now we need to tuck this in and then flip it through. Last but not least, we are going to sew this little hole together when we sew all around. So I'm going to pin first and sew all the way around. Hey guys, so we have come to the end of this video, and guess what? I made more. So I'm going to start with the one that we made. So we made this really cute, simple, like, you know, just simple and cute, beginner friendly, and so quick. But if you guys are like me, then you are going to want to make more, because this only takes 10 minutes and also another 10 minutes for each one. And here's the thing, when you cut the fabric, it actually takes a shorter time, because if you cut the fabric for all of them at the same time, then the total time to make one gets less, right? So you can make more in a shorter time, which is so cool. So as you can see with these two, so it's supposed to be like the little leaf on a lemon, but I didn't have the green one, so I had this yellow ribbon, and I was like, let's add it on, and look at how cute it looks. So good. And then, ta-da! This is the one with the little tag that I showed you guys a bit earlier on. This is really, really professional looking, and if you guys had like a pop-up store or something, or even a gift to someone, then you could definitely add this on, and it looks so good. It takes it the extra mile. So if you guys were wanting to give this as a gift to someone, then you can actually just kind of stack them like this, have all of them facing the same way, and then my ribbon isn't long anymore, but then you could actually just tie it up, and look at how cute that would look. I really hope that you guys can try them out. Super beginner friendly, so if you have just started learning how to sew, then go ahead and make these for someone, make these for yourself. You're gonna absolutely love it. In fact, I've been having some sheer tea all day as I was sewing this. So I wish I had this earlier, because then I could just do this. But I'm so excited, you guys, for you guys to make these. And go ahead, comment down below what else you guys want to see. And until the next video, bye!